I wanted to share with you this morning how I get ready for the day with the skincare tips that I have been using for the last year. So I actually worked with a company called Biopelle, and if you haven't heard about them, you need to learn more about them. They're amazing. The products are amazing. It is skin transforming. I've been using them for a little over a year now, and I can't say enough good things. So in the morning when I wake up, the first thing I do is I of course brush my teeth and then I wash my face. And the cleanser that I use is the Biopelle Gel Cleanser. It has 10% glycolic acid. Okay, let's talk about the different types of serums that Biopelle has to offer. I'm going to focus on the two that I use the most. One that I use daily is called the Tensage Daily Serum. This is your serum that you apply before you put your moisturizer on. So this is my daily in the morning that I use, and then you just take a little drop of it like this, and then from there I put it on the back of my hand, and then I do just little dabs, and I do the 5 different areas on my face, and then I make sure I focus on my neck and my chest. So I usually give this a few minutes to absorb and dry so it can really take into effect, and then I apply the rest of the products. The other Tensage serum that I love to use whenever I'm going out, or if I've had any type of like facials or any type of treatment done to my face, is a Tensage Intensive Serum, and this is the 40. This one is really interesting because it's a growth factor, so of course it has the stem cells from those garden snails in Spain. But I think it's great that they're little vials so that you only need to use maybe 1 a day. Basically how you do it is, when you get it, it's covered in this white cap. And this is like a plastered glass. So I take it out of the cap, and then I flip it over in the back, and then I crack it. That will release the serum into the cotton swab at the end. I just lightly press. You don't want to press it too hard into the skin. And I do this on my face, my neck, and my chest. And then I like to massage it in once I get it all out. So once the Tensage Daily Serum or the Tensage Intensive Serum 40 has absorbed into your skin and you've allowed it some time to dry, what I like to do is, because you're not supposed to use this in your eye area, I do use a separate cream. There's 2 different ones I want to show you. One is called the Tensage Eye Contour Cream, and it's basically white colored in consistency. And all you need is a small, maybe pea-sized drop. I put it on my ring finger, and then I just take my other finger and I kind of dab it together, and then I tap it from the outside of the corner of my eye in. And I make sure I focus on that area. I like to do it on my lid as well. And I do it above my brow. So that's my whole eye area. There's another type of eye cream that's called the Tensage Radiance Eye Cream, which is this one. And the only difference with this is it's an SCA 10 Biorepair Index, but it's also tinted. It's a tinted cream, eye cream, and it's same size. You just need to use a pea size. You just need a little pea size on your finger. I'm actually running low on this one. You could tell this is my favorite one, but you just need a pea size, and then do the same thing you would do if you had the eye contour cream. I just want to make sure you guys are aware that the serum is not the same as a moisturizer. So I love to use a Tensage Soothing Cream Moisturizer. With your skin starting to exfoliate and just really reproduce that new collagen, you should definitely use a moisturizer, and that's what I do. So you just need a little bit of the moisturizer, and it goes a long way. I would say less than 1/4 size of this stuff. Very lightly. Pat it along all the areas of your face and your neck and your chest. and you're good to go. Now, the final thing that I do use daily, especially when I live here in Las Vegas, is my sunscreen. So I love using the Prescribed Solutions Customized Skincare Broad Spectrum SPF 30. That is also a Biopelle product. So I'm gonna show you how this works. Basically, I just take a little pump, like so. And voila! Alright guys, so I will do a nighttime skincare regimen on the next episode. I just wanted to share with you what I do in the mornings, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!